It's Bonnie. Happy Monday! Oh my goodness, you guys. Nothing new on the Bath& Body Works site today. Mark your calendars for Wednesday, October 5th. That is when, as a member of the app reward, we're going to get a sneak peek of Christmas. I don't know what we're getting yet, but make sure you're signed up for the app reward because that's going to be fun. So today I wake up, I always look at Bath& Body Works first thing in the morning, 6:30 a.m. We have a car fragrance refill sale, and it's a good one. So $1.95 on the car fragrance refills. You have to use the code CARBUDDY online. And is there a code? That was the one thing I didn't look at this morning. Is there a code? Promotions. Yep, there's a barcode if you go in the store. So can't use additional coupon, but $1.95 is a pretty good deal. So I'm going to sort by new arrivals here. Christmas has arrived. So I'm actually thinking about getting a few because I just did a haul and I got the fall ones, but I also like Christmas. I typically only use car fragrance scents in the fall and winter. Occasionally I'll use them like in the spring and summer if I can, find a good one that I really like, a foodie scent. I like the fall ones though. So the other day when Bath & Body Works was doing the buy two, get two sale, I actually loaded up on car clips. I got my sister-in-law one. I just sent it to her. But these were a really good deal because these are normally $8.50. I got them for $4.25. So there is a pumpkin one, there is a leaf one, and then I sent my sister-in-law the owl, and I kept one for myself. So I'm actually going to load one of these up and put it right in my car. I can't decide which one to do though. We're going to go over how to load these. We're going to go over both of them. So there are two types of car fragrance clips. Actually, there's three types. There is the visor clip, which goes on your visor. The only problem is if it doesn't clip tight and you pull it down, it's going to fall. Mine is always clipped tight though, so I haven't had that problem. Then we have the vent clip, where that just clips onto your vent, and then as the air blows out, you get the scent. I don't like those. I don't know why. It bugs me to have that fragrance air blowing in my face. I don't mind it so much in the summer when the air conditioner's on, but it's weird in the winter. I don't know why. It's just a weird thing with me. So some of the clips are a duo clip that is the vent and the visor. So I'm going to turn this around. You can see there's two mechanisms on the back. One is a pull-out, and this goes on your visor. I have noticed that this visor clip does hold better than the duo one. See how much space there is under this one? So if your visor is really thin, you might have trouble with this one. I would get this one if you really love the visor clip. Okay, and then there's also a vent clip on here too. You can pop this up, and then this is the vent clip. This is the part that actually just clips onto the vent. Or you can kind of just set one of these on your desk. I've done that before, and you can get the scent. They're supposed to last 3 to 4 weeks. They do get weaker over time. I mean, you're going to notice that, if you're 3 weeks in, they're not going to smell as wonderful as they did on week one. So if you're anything like me, my car is like the dump. Everyone is eating in my car. They're just throwing things in my car. I always laugh that my car smells like french fries and dirt because I park on gravel, and when I get in my car, I've always got when you live in Ohio, you've got mud, you've got everything on your feet. I've got the weather tech in there, which does help, but still, your car is messy. I don't know. I've never been good at keeping my car super neat. So the vent clip does give it a nice scent. I do like the Christmas ones. So we've got Twisted Peppermint, Tis the Season, Vanilla Bean Noel, Frosted Cranberry, and Snowy Peachberry, which I hate, by the way. My favorite ones are Tis the Season, Vanilla Bean Noel, and Twisted Peppermint. Those are good. I might get a couple of those today. So today I am going to put right in my car Pumpkin Apple, which is one of my favorite fall. I also bought Pumpkin Cupcake. I bought Leaves. I got the Midnight Amber Glow. I'm going to give one of these to my mother-in-law for her birthday that's coming up. And then I got a Vampire Blood. So I got those. So they're super easy to load. So when you get the disc, this is what it looks like. And then there's a sticker on the back that says peel. So you're going to just kind of peel off the sticker. It's kind of a pain to get off sometimes. You kind of got to work it a little bit. So it's funny. Sometimes they just fall off. Other times they're a pain to get off. So you're going to take the sticker and you're just going to peel the sticker off like that. And then you've got your disc here. And what you're going to do is you're just going to bend back the foil and you're going to peel the top off. And again, sometimes these are a little bit tricky and you have to like work it a little bit. You kind of got to break the seal a little bit. And then what you're going to do, see, these are tricky. This one's tight. Sometimes they're not as tight. This one is though, oh my gosh, this one is terrible. They're usually not this bad. Okay, this must be a really new one. Oh my gosh, this one is really weird. I've never had a car fragrance that was this difficult to open before. There we go. I've almost got it. Okay, so this is what you want to do. So you're going to separate the foil from the unit here. So there, you just peeled it off like this. And then this is the fragrance disc. The fragrance comes off this part that you just had the foil on. And if you smell it, you're going to smell pumpkin apple. So then what you're going to do is you're going to put it in your disc. And what you want is you want to put it in the tray like this so that the fragrance is on top. You don't want to put it, you don't ever want to put it like in this part. You want to always put it in the downward, like, it looks like a dish. So it fits in there really good. So then you're going to close it. And then your fragrance is going to come out right here. And that's why the front is open, so the fragrance comes out. This one smells really good because it's pumpkin apple. You're going to put this on your visor, and then your car is going to smell like french fries, dirt, and pumpkin apple. So they're fun. I like them. I always put one in my car in the fall, and I like gifting these. They're fun. They have a new dressy dash hound, which is super cute. I don't think they have Christmas ones yet. They have a gold and pearl vent clip. Oh, it's a visor vent clip. They'll say on there whether or not it's a duo. Most of them now are the duos. The mushroom is a visor clip only, as is the autumn. No, autumn leaves. Oh, the autumn leaves is, you know what? This is really weird. This is really strange, you guys, because I'm looking at the autumn leaves one. Unless there's two of them, it says visor clip. I must have bought the vent clip. Check it out. Just make sure you look, because I'm guessing there's two of these on here, or maybe they sold out of this one. I don't know. They come and go so often, but just make sure you get the one you want. Visor versus vent clip. I'm gonna get this one to my mother-in-law. She likes the vent clip. So they do come with like a little I don't know, plasticky thing on there with the price. And I opened these two already because I'm keeping these for myself. So anyway, let me know what you think of the car fragrances. And today's the day to buy. $1.95 is definitely a good deal. You get basically 5 for 10, under 10, and they make great gifts. So anyway, I will be back later. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.